In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote Desktop Note. By the end, you'll open Evernote, create a clear, well-titled note, use the built-in AI to spark ideas, and then share or export your work. Open Evernote on your computer. If you land on a dashboard, look to the left for the navigation panel. That sidebar is your command center, with shortcuts to notebooks, tasks, and, most importantly today, notes. Clicking Notes shows your note list and the writing area on the right. To create something new, find the New Note button or plus icon near the top of the Notes view and click it to open a blank note. If you prefer shortcuts, many desktops support creating a note with a quick keyboard combo. At the top of the editor, type a clear title so the note is easy to find later. In the body area below, write your content and apply basic formatting like headings, bold, or checklists to keep it readable. If you're stuck, use the AI assistants to generate a topic or outline. Give it a short prompt describing what you need, then review the suggestion and adjust it to match your voice. Treat AI as a helpful draft, not a final answer. When your note is ready, you can share or export it. Use Share to invite collaborators or create a view-only link, setting permissions so the right people can edit or just read. For a snapshot you can send or store, choose Export. PDF works for a fixed copy. Evernote's format is best for backups and moving notes between accounts. Before you share, skim for private details you don't want to distribute, and confirm the title reflects the note's purpose. That's all there is to it. You've opened Evernote, created a note, leveraged AI for ideas, and shared or exported your work with confidence.